Good day. This is my accomplishment report for today. And today is I am in the Vue.js project, which is Vue 2. And the context was to store the word check answer of the user based on based on the connected connection from source A to source B. So for context, this kind of feature was that there was a list A and a list B, and for idea it is a matchmaking type of quiz. So you connect from A to B, and the goal was to just save what the user was trying to uh, more like save the user connection or save the user answer based on the connected source. And for that, I already done with it, and to do that I need to create my own unique ID of the source and unique ID of the target point. So to just easily add it here, I use the list item data ID, which is unique based on every data that I saw, and target point list ID again, and also this is unique to every data that I saw. And by inputting that one, I just need to trigger or just need to save the data once the connection was already done. So the plum.js have this event, which is connection, that will help us save or get the data once the source and the target was connected. And I just create my own uh, method for saving this kind of process. So what we need is the ID and the target element ID, which is I just input here. And after that, I just make sure that the user progress data exists. And I just, if not, then we create the data, then make sure that the answer source and the target element ID should be unique, not not the same. So if it exists, just pass it and move on to the next type, and then to just make sure that the answering is done. So we check if the answer's length is equal to the list one or a list two. So we just make sure that the at least all the check boxes or all the connections should be answered, so the consider one. And then I just store it into the send it to the API, so the API will save it. After that, the next goal was to automatically connect this save progress. So every time we have this, what you call this, we have this save progress, right? And I just created my own handle again to get the progress. Make sure that the length is greater than zero, of course. Get the source element, then use this plugin to connect this kind of answer from the user. And I adjusted also the handling of user progress. I added a type, which is by default add, which is adding it as the answer. In case we will need to delete the connection, just pass the type as a remove, then we will remove it into the existing answer, then update the user progress, and also update the done if it's true or false. And that's it for my report for today. Thank you.